Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. In this video, I will share 6 items with you all which has made my life easy in organizing my art supplies and making my works better. Let's check them out one by one. Also, you can check out the description box for the buying links of these items. The first one is this transparent pencil pouch. Now it's totally transparent, you can see what's inside. So this has made my life easy. I use it for storing my brush pens and markers. So here you can see guys how easily this is visible, and also the material is quite thick, so currently it has become one of my favorite storage supply. Here is another one which is again in the transparent look, and I have used it for storing all my polychromos pencil colors, especially which I use for the shading of the skin tone. The second item on the list is this one, the big Capsid pencil case bag. Easy to carry, it has 4 layers with 72 slots. Now I use it for storing all my gel pens and detailing pens. Like you can see here, I have the pens from different brands like Sakura, Micron, Jelly Roll and so on. So it's easy to carry and has all my detailing pen in one place. The third one is like a lifesaver to me. It's so easy to store the pencil colors especially, and you know guys, a Staedtler 48 color shade pack has such a variety of colors. So in this rolling pouch, it's so easy to store all your pencil colors and also to pick the right shade just in front of you. If you lay out the pencil color, it's so easily visible to you and it makes your work more easy. So I have 2 of them which I got on Amazon only. If you search on Amazon like rolling pencil pouch, you will get so many options. So I got 2 from there, and do comment below your favorite product from the list. So this was all about the storing supplies. Now let's talk about the supplies which has made my life easy while illustrating, you know guys. So these are pencil extenders. Suppose you have very tiny pencils with you which are like little difficult to hold and color. So you can use this to stick your small pencil and use it as a brand new pencil, like which is easy to hold. So sometimes we can't let go of the color because the color may be very costly, so you want to use till the last bit of the pencil, especially my polychromos or the Staedtlers, like some shades which are not easily available or sometimes it's very costly. So I will be just using this pencil extender to use the pencil till the last bit and avoid wastage of the pencils. So here I have in 2 different styles, and you can get them easily in your local stores also. So coming to the next one, I think I don't need to give any introduction. You guys have seen me using them in my almost all the tutorials, like where I keep on saying that use your mechanical pencils. And seriously guys, mechanical pencils are so much better when you want to stick to sketching, you want to improve your sketching, because it has a fine tip, and if you put too much pressure with the pencil, it will break. So that also acts like a reflex that you are not putting too much pressure on the pencil. So somebody who is learning sketching and practicing like faces or figures, so definitely switch to mechanical pencil. You don't need to buy the costly ones. You can get this in local store for like 20 to 50 rupees max. Otherwise guys, you can also stick with your normal pencils or the HP pencils. Now this has acted very beneficial to me, that's why I'm sharing my views with you all. And lastly, I will talk about the last item, which is this kneadable eraser. Now what is kneadable eraser? It's just like your normal eraser, but the basic difference is you can knead it just like a dough, and you can also shape it accordingly. So personally, I have switched to kneadable eraser over the normal eraser, because when you erase with the normal eraser, it leaves residue over the paper. Sometimes it damages the paper, sometimes it smudges, and you might face little trouble when you are like using the eraser over a neatly drawn illustration. So in that case, if you want to avoid any such wastage or smudging, so that time you can use your kneadable eraser, it will pick all the unnecessary dust and it will also not leave this kind of extra residue. So here you can see guys, you can simply roll your kneadable eraser over the illustration and it will pick all the unnecessary dust or the charcoal powder with it. Now people who are using the kneadable eraser already might know, so you guys do comment below that you guys are also using this product or not. And here you can see you can knead and make little portions of the eraser, so it's actually very fun to use this product. And sometimes in the illustration you want to reach out to very extreme detail, give little blending effect, give little smudging effect, so in that case you can definitely use this. Also sometimes if you have used charcoal or any kind of shading pencil, you can simply dab it over the illustration to pick that extra charcoal powder or the pencil powder and make your illustration very neat and clean. And lastly, I would like to say that while storing it, always wrap it inside a tissue paper or a paper to avoid getting the dust from the eraser transferred to any other product in your pencil case. So guys, don't forget to tell me about your views and should I keep on making more such fun informative videos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you all very soon. Till then, take care, keep illustrating. Bye bye.